How to forward an entire email thread in Gmail. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Gmail application. Now, simply go to the email or the chat box that you want to forward. Now, what you will have to do is tap on this three dot and then select forward. Now, as you can see, this entire folder is forwarded. Simply select or enter the email address that you want to forward the chat to and then send it. Sometimes you will also get an option of forward all thread while selecting the button format. If you find that button, simply select format all email thread and all the email will be sent. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.